Hello students, I'm just sitting here on my bed, and I'm wondering what starts with bed. The letter B. B says b for bell. B says b for bell. And B says b for bed. Bed. And bear. And bear. And book. Book. And bird. Blue bird. Bird. All of these say b for B, the letter B. Now I have my backpack. I wonder what's inside my backpack. Let's see. I have a Band-Aid. Band-Aid in my backpack. I have a Band-Aid. Band-Aid. A brush. A brush to brush my hair. I have a brush to brush my hair. I have a Bible. I have my Bible. And I have a blanket, a big blanket. All of that was in my backpack. Backpack. And what does backpack start with? The letter B. B says b for bell. Bell. B says b for bell. Very good, students. I'll see you later. Bye.